Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something truly special, a beast of a build packed into a compact mini casing. We're talking high performance, top tier hardware, and a look that'll make any gamer's heart beat faster. Picture this, Intel's latest i7-14700KF and the monstrous RTX 4080, all squeezed into a case you can actually carry around. Let's get right into this stunning custom rig, perfect for gamers, creators, and performance junkies alike. So, before we get into the nitty-gritty, here's a quick look at the main specs. For the processor, I've gone with the Intel Core i7-14700KF 14th Gen, 20 cores, 28 threads. Graphics, ASUS ProArt RTX 4080 Super Creative Nation Edition. Motherboard is the GIGABYTE Z790M AORUS Elite AX, with built-in Wi-Fi support. RAM, that's 32 gigs of Asgard Valkyrie DDR5 running at a crazy 6,800 MHz CL34. Storage is Samsung's 990 Pro 1TB NVMe SSD. Cooling duties go to the Valkyrie B360 ARGB AIO with IPS display, all powered by the Haiyun Focus GX850 fully modular, ATX 3.1 ready. And of course, everything fits snugly in the Lian Li A3 black wood grain case with a see-through side panel and 7 jungle Leopard star ARGB fans. Let's kick things off with the heart of the build, the i7-14700KF. With 20 cores and 28 threads, this CPU is an absolute workhorse. Whether you're gaming, streaming, editing 4K video, or running all of them at once, this thing just powers through. And to keep it cool, I've paired it with the Valkyrie B360 ARGB AIO cooler. Not only does it handle the heat, it looks amazing too, with a bright IPS display and vibrant ARGB lighting right on the pump. Moving on to the motherboard, GIGABYTE's Z790M AORUS Elite AX. This little micro ATX board is packed with high-end features, PCIe 5.0 support, blazing fast DDR5 memory, and built-in Wi-Fi for that clean, cable-free setup. And about the RAM, 32 GB of Asgard Valkyrie DDR5 running at 6,800 MHz with tight CL34 timings. That's more than enough for gaming, multitasking, and heavy creative workloads. Now let's talk graphics. The ASUS ProArt RTX 4080 Super is not just massive in size, it's massive in power. Whether you're editing in Premiere, rendering in Blender, or gaming at 4K Ultra settings, this GPU just crushes it all. And for storage, I've installed the lightning-fast Samsung 990 Pro NVMe SSD over 7,000 MB per S read and write speeds, so your games and projects load up in seconds. Powering everything is the Haiyun Focus GX850, an 850-watt, fully modular PSU with a black gold medal rating. This thing is ATX 3.1 ready, so even if you upgrade your GPU in the future, you're sorted. All this hardware is packed inside the Lian Li A3 compact, elegant with a black wood grain finish and a tempered glass side panel. Efficient airflow and stunning looks, all in one. For cooling, I've loaded the case with 7 jungle Leopard star ARGB V2 fans. 3 of them are anti-blade fans, which reduce turbulence and keep airflow smooth. With the ARGB cooler, the RAM, and all these fans, this build practically glows like a spaceship, but not in an over-the-top way. So, how does it perform? In my testing, it's flawless 4K gaming, virtual machines, compiling code, you name it. Drop a comment if you want a full benchmark video. And there you have it, a monster of a machine in a small form factor. If you're planning your next dream PC, consider this combo of the 14700KF and RTX 4080 Super. Hit like if you enjoyed the breakdown, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic PC content. This is your name from Computer Minds, signing off. See you in the next one.